So while the rest of the players are struggling in the retail apparel space, blaming it on the slowdown in consumption, this company is operating in a totally different orbit altogether. In the recent quarter, they grew their sales by more than 86% with a volume growth of more than 58%. At the same time, the gross profit went up by more than 91%, meaning that the operating leverage has kicked in for the company. The company mainly operates in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, having a presence of more than 250 stores, with 43 stores added in just this quarter. Operating at a market cap of around 8,500 crores, I'm talking about V2 Retail Limited. So the company is on a dream run since many years. Currently, they've added around 130 stores in FY26, and in FY27 they plan to add more than 150 stores. So 2024 में V2 Retail के पास around 170 vendors थे, जो कि अभी 250 हो चुके हैं, and the company says that they have more than 500 vendors waiting in the pipeline. Now at 259 stores, the company projects a massive target of more than 2,500 stores in the coming years. They see a potential of more than 10x in the country. Now, the company does not really give out a yearly guidance, but the company has said that they can easily grow their revenue by more than 50 to 55% for the next 4 to 5 years. Now, talking about some valuations, 2025 में V2 Retail ने revenue किया था around 1900 crore का. On the basis of this guidance, if we even take a conservative view of 40% CAGR growth, in FY28, the revenue comes out to be around 5,000 crores at a PAT margin of 3.8%, and the PAT comes out to be around 190 crores. And at the given market cap of around 8,400 crores, the forward multiple comes out to be 44, which can easily seem a little high, but we also have to account the kind of growth that the company is projecting. The market इसको इतना प्रीमियम दे क्यों रहा है is because when the companies in the competitors are lagging in growth, growing by more than 12, 15, 20, 25%, this company is growing by more than 80 to 85%, and most importantly the premium is because the management is walking the talk. So the company does not necessarily seem cheap in terms of forward valuation, but the bottom line being is when a company is consistently outperforming and slamming its competitors in the same space, the market can definitely give it a wild premium.